Okay, I'm going to show you some examples of writing an equation of a line in slope-intercept form when you are given 1 point and the y-intercept. So actually 2 points, but one of those points is going to be the y-intercept. So just a little background information first. And I'm getting these from the notes that are already posted on Canvas. So you can, if you don't, you can get out your notes and follow along if you need some more guidance on this, or just let me know what you need help with. But we are going to write an equation in slope intercept form. And remember, we said that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m represents our slope, b represents our y-intercept, and the y-intercept is that point where the line crosses the x-axis, where the line crosses the y-axis. I think I said X, sorry. It's the end of the day. And this, again, is in your notes. I probably shouldn't have rewritten it, but I did. So one of the points, the first set of problems I gave everybody was I told you that we're going to write an equation of a line through the origin. So a line goes through the origin and through the first point I used was 5, 2. And so then I asked everybody, okay, well, what's the ordered pair for the origin? And we said it's 0, 0. So we're writing the equation of a line that goes through these 2 points. So what we did is we found the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 would give you 2 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 0, which gives you 2/5. Okay, so when we are writing this equation in slope-intercept form, which again is y equals mx plus b, I'm going to start with y, and instead of writing the letter m, I'm going to write what m is. It's 2/5. Put the x beside it, and then in the place of the b would go our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 0, 0. It's at the intersection of the x and y axis, but it still goes through the y axis. So technically, you could think of it this way: y is equal to 2/5 x plus 0, where it goes through the y axis, but we wouldn't write it that way. We would just write y is equal to 2/5 x. So if you see an equation like this and it doesn't have anything where the b is, you know that this is a line that goes through the origin. I'm going to do one more like this. Another one we did was a line that goes through the origin and goes through -5, -7. So again, the origin is 0, 0, so we find the slope. -7 minus 0 over -5 minus 0 gives us a -7 over -5. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so we would write that as 7/5. Okay, that is our slope. And again, we're plugging this into y equals mx plus b. So we write y is equal to, what is m? It's 7/5. Write your x, and your y-intercept again is 0, so we don't need to put anything there. Okay? And I have a minute before this video is going to cut off on me, so I'm going to stop this one here, and I'll make another one for the second set of problems we did where the line does not go through the origin. But I am going to give you the y-intercept, but it's not the origin. Okay? So I'll get that up next.